What's up, you guys? It's Gigi back with another video. Today we will be doing an eyebrow tutorial. For those of you who have sparse eyebrows just like me, I barely have any eyebrows. It's really depressing. So I have to make my own eyebrow every day. Yeah. Microblading would be nice, but be costing too much. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Without further ado, let's get down to the video. All right, so I have tried different eyebrow products. I've used the pencil before, I've used powders before, I've used pomades before. Today we're gonna be doing a pencil. I am going to go ahead, and what I like to do is go ahead and put my foundation on already and then start on my eyebrows. For some reason they come out much better when I already have that stuff on, and I feel like it gives it a nice base so I can, really make my own eyebrow and make it to what I want it to look like. So I will go ahead and put that my foundation on, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I have my base down, and if it looks like I'm really freaking white, it's because I am. I'm in between shades right now, and I did get a tan, so bear with me. So I have the base down. I am ready to start on my brows. What I'm using today, and I've been using for a minute now because I really actually like it. It's by NYX. It is the micro brow pencil, and I have been really feeling it. The only thing I would say is a little bit drying, and I don't know if that's just the formula or what, but I keep the top on it at all times. But anyway, it has a spoolie as well as, the tip for your product, which I really enjoy. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and brush your eyebrows, the little bit of eyebrows that you have, and brush them up. And this helps with the shape when I'm making the shape. After you've brushed your sparse ass eyebrows up, go ahead and get whatever product you're using. It doesn't have to be a pencil. I'm using a pencil, but I go ahead and start at the bottom, lightly brush strokes. Like you're barely putting any product right there, but you're gonna start at the bottom and go ahead and make whatever shape you're looking for. I just use my natural eyebrow shape for the bottom because I'm pretty satisfied with that, at least on this eyebrow. This eyebrow is another story. So we have that. Now what I do is I go ahead and start from about the middle of your eyebrow. I start before my arch, and I go ahead and make the top of my eyebrow how I want it. Light strokes, guys. And then I go ahead and fill that in a little bit where I don't have any hair. Whenever you are satisfied with this, go ahead and get the other side, whether that be you have one that's like this where it's dual, or you have another tool for your spoolie. Go ahead and brush that product sideways and up, however you like it. I like to do this sideways and up, and brush that all together. Now I kind of like to make my own hairs. So I'm barely touching and using this type of stroke. All right, we have an eyebrow. Yay! So now that you have whatever you're happy with, I'm pretty happy with this eyebrow. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eyebrow, and then we'll go ahead and clean up together. All right, you guys, I went ahead and did the other eyebrow off camera. I am actually, I don't know what happened today. Usually I mess up on this every time. So I don't have a lot of cleanup to do. However, if you do make any mistakes, you can always use whatever concealer that you have. I like to use one that has at least an applicator like this Makeup Revolution concealer. This one is pretty drying, so it dries very, very fast. So I like to just do one eyebrow at a time. But go ahead, grab your concealer that you like to use, and I am going to just dot on the bottom. Get your concealer brush that you like to use as well. This one's hella dirty and I really need to clean it, but you know, we're just gonna do with what we got. And you're gonna go ahead and clean up the under eye, whatever mistakes or however you wanna shape your under eye, under eyebrow, I'm sorry. And just shape it up, which like I said again, I didn't really make any mistakes this time, which is super lucky. So I'm just really like doing this for you guys. Now the top, I will say I do want to clean up a little bit, so I'm just gonna put a little bit right there, and I am going to clean that up. My eyebrows look so good today. I'm so impressed by myself today. Yeah, so I'm really happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this other eyebrow and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I am back. What do you think? I think I did a pretty damn good job with my eyebrows today. Yeah, I just cleaned them up and I put them to the shape that I really wanted. Now, granted, they don't look like identical. They might be fraternal today though. Okay, so I just cleaned them up, and let me know your tips and tricks that you do with your eyebrows. What products do you guys use? Go ahead and leave some comments down below. I love hearing what your tips and tricks are that you guys use for your everyday eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like I said, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video for your girl. And also, if you could follow all of my social media accounts, I do follow back. I will go ahead and leave those links down below as well. I'm going to finish my makeup, and you guys have a great day.